हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो चलिए आज बात करते हैं कैसे हम लोग इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं। प्रैक्टिस, these are the tricks to learn English. Practice speaking English with others and have fun while you learn. Understood? Build vocabulary. Keep a vocabulary book and build vocabulary cluster for different topic. Means we should search vocabularies from different chapters, different topics, and we should learn those words. Okay, and we should learn the meaning also. We should search the meaning also, and we should know the forms, verb forms also, v1, v2, v3. Then we can use those words, or if they are verbs, then those verbs we should use in our sentence. Learn grammar. Understand grammar concept such as tense and sentence structure and apply them in your speech. Means learning tense is also very necessary. Means if you are talking about past incident, then you should know the past tense. If you are talking about future incident, then you should know the future tense. Okay, understood? Learn idioms and slang. Learn idioms, slang and cultural references to help you connect with native speaker. Then means you should learn idioms also, slang also. We can use those idioms in our sentences. Learn pronunciation. Pronunciation is very necessary, guys, because if we learn correct pronunciation, then we can learn proper English. Okay, we can speak properly. Understood? Practice in a real life situation. If we are facing the real life incident, means if you are in bank, if we are in school or college, then how can we speak? If we are in kitchen, then what are the names of the kitchen utensils? These things we should know. Understood, children? Means these are the steps, these are the things. Speak. Let's start right off by saying that there isn't a magic pill for better speaking. Means we should speak regularly. Whole day we should talk in English. If we are learning English, then we should talk with others. We should talk with our younger sister or brothers, or we should talk with our parents also. We should listen and read. This is the trick also. Listen, we should listen. If others are speaking, then we should listen how they are speaking. Okay, and we should read the stories. We should read newspapers. Then we can learn English, and we can develop our word power also. Pick up the phone. We can talk with our friends on phone also in English. Then we will learn the English. Record your voice. You can record your voice, and after that, after recording, you will listen your voice, and you can realize, you will see how you are talking in English. Okay, English is a fun. Okay, and if you want to know, if you want to learn, if you want to speak, then you should think that English is a fun. Understood, guys? Always watch movies in English. Then this is the source of learning English also. If you watch movies, then in movies you can listen different types of sentences in a real life situation. Means if they are in movies, different types of situations are there. Then you can know how we can talk in those situations. So watching movie is very beneficial for your English. Start a vocabulary book or useful words. You take a notebook and write down the words, new words and phrases in that notebook. Okay, have conversation in English. You should converse in English. You should talk in English with others, with your colleagues or with your friends also. Always practice is very necessary. Means practice at home, practice everywhere. I think these informations are very useful for you guys. So in next class you will learn the sentence structure. Okay, different types of sentences and very easy sentences. Okay, then till then, bye bye guys.